around 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock around in the morning. And I'm going to a small work at an Ayurvedic place. Here, not very far from Basel. Of course in Switzerland, and this is beautiful Basel. So this is Tuesday. What is the day today? 7th of Tuesday, 2024. So you can see it is raining. People are waiting for the tram, and yeah. So you see, what is the good things about Switzerland is, look, this is like if you are in England somewhere, you will have to hang on the train, and it will be so rush. Look, this is Switzerland. Switzerland has got the best transportation system in the world, and also not too many people are living in Switzerland, I believe. I think around 8 million people, I think, in whole country. So plus they are providing the best transportation system. So you see, this is where I sit. So see, I can put even my bag, whole seat for me, just sitting like a king, although I am an emperor. Yeah, this is the morning time, my friend. So yeah, I'm really happy to live in this beautiful country, and it is raining this morning, and raining is so beautiful because raining makes life possible, where the grass can sprout, trees like a plants, like a plant of the tree can sprout. And we can't imagine life without water. So having a nice, beautiful, rainy morning. It is so beautiful. I really like rain because it's really refreshing. Obviously, I took my bicycle to come to the railway station or tram station because all are closer. There is, you can see a bakery is getting ready for the food for the people. Yeah, so you can see a nice pigeon there, and they are flying. So yeah, it's so beautiful. Like the rain is refreshing. Obviously it's difficult to ride the bicycle when it's rain, but if it's not really a strong rain, it's a beautiful, I mean, to ride the bicycle. Even I like also big rain. I don't like very hot, like 35 or 40 degrees Celsius like India, but I prefer the rain. I prefer to rain actually. I mean, I prefer to rain. I prefer rain to heat. How to say that word in English? I forgot that. Okay, so my dear friend. So still we are running through the city, and after just short while we will be passing the city center. I mean, it's not city center, I mean. So when you watch this video, you obviously can feel this is not really a city comparing to maybe London, New York, Mumbai, Tokyo, or something like that. Yeah, so I can see, look, people are going by. This is the beautiful thing about Switzerland, you see. Although it is raining, people are taking their bicycle out. Although I think the most of the people might have the cars who are riding bicycle. I think bicycle is so, I think this is the best vehicle with you can go around. I really like that. so convenient. You really don't need to worry about traffic block. Although in Basel, not that much traffic block. Yeah, but bicycle is the best, I would say. So my friend, here I'm Sudesh. I'm basically from India, and so if you like the video, give a like and also subscribe to our channel. Okay? So that's all. I'm going to stop video. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Okay?